Hello guys and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to create a wedding planning website using Shopify. First, be sure you check the link in the description for a 3 days free trial of Shopify and also a $1 for 1 month one-time deal. So without further ado, let's get going. First, we're going to go to our product section over here and we're going to click on add product. Here we're going to start filling all the blanks with our product's information. For example, I'm going to start with once we have our title ready, we're going to copy it, and here on the description we are going to click on generate text and we're going to paste our title. Here we're going to click on generate so that Shopify is going to use its built-in AI to generate a description for us. Here we can either choose to generate the description again or just click keep to keep the one we already have. For media, we're going to click on upload new and we're going to choose an image for our product. You can see that below our image we're going to have a category section. Here Shopify is going to choose a category for us, but in case we want to change it, we can always click here and change it to whichever one we would like. On our right, we're going to have a product type, vendor, collection, and tags section. For collection, make sure you add your product to your home page, and on tags, we can put whichever one we would like. For example, I'm just going to put wedding planning planner as one of my tags. For the pricing, let's say that I'm going to charge around 80,000 pesos for this, and our cost per item is going to be around, let's say, 50,000 pesos. This is going to give us a 30,000 pesos profit at a 37.5% margin of profit. For inventory, I'm just going to uncheck this because we're not going to keep track of it. And here we also have a weight section to do in case we're going to do any kind of shipping for our product. Once we are done customizing it, we're going to click over here on save and we would have our first product uploaded. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep uploading all of the products that I want on my online store. So I'll be back with you guys once I'm done uploading all of them. So as you can see here, I have added a bunch of new products. For example, my decoration placement, my food distribution, and my seeds distribution services. So what we're going to do next is we're going to go to our online store, and here we're going to start to customize it. The first thing that we're going to be able to change is going to be its theme. So as you can see right over here on the bottom, we're going to have a bunch of different free themes that we can use. But if we want to shop for more of them, we can click over here on visit theme store, and we're going to be redirected to the Shopify theme store where we are going to be able to choose a bunch of different themes. Some of the themes may better suit our website, but for me, I'm just going to stick with the default one for now. So once we are back over here, we're going to click on customize, and here we would be able to start customizing our website. You can see that if I click over here, this section is going to be selected and it's going to be outlined by a blue line. Here on the top left, the name of the section is going to be displayed, and on our right, we're going to have a bunch of different options to customize our section. For example, this is our image banner, and we're going to click here on select to select an image to be our banner. For example, I'm going to choose this one, and once it's done uploading, I'm going to click on the name, and the background of our banner is going to change. Next, we're going to click on our heading to change the text right over here. For example, I'm going to put welcome to my wedding planning website. Now let's say that we want to add a new section to our website. What we're going to do is here on template, we're going to click on add a section, and here we're going to have a bunch of different options such as featured collection, featured product, collection list, rich text, etc, etc. For me, I'm just going to choose a featured product, and you can see here at the very bottom a new section is going to appear. Here on the right, I'm going to click on select, and we're going to choose, for example, my decoration placement is product. As you can see, the product is now being displayed right here on my screen. And let's say that we want to change, for example, the color scheme a bit, and we're going to put a nice dark theme around it. Now another thing that can happen is that we have added a new section, for example, a featured collection, and we want to delete it. What we're going to do is make sure we have the section we want to delete selected, and here we're going to click on the bottom right on remove section. This way the section is going to be completely removed. We can also add sections to our footer if we want. For example, here we can add a custom liquid or an email sign up, and the same goes for our header. Here we can also add a custom liquid or an announcement bar. Another very important thing about our header is going to be that right over here our store's name is going to be displayed. So in order to change it, what we're going to do is we're going to save our changes. We're going to go back, we're going to go to the home page of Shopify, and here we're going to click on name store, and here we would be able to finally change our store's name. For example, I'm just going to put wedding planning, and now to make sure that everything is correct, we are going to go back to our online store, but now we are going to click on the three dots right over here, preview, and this is going to redirect us to our website. As you can see here on our header, the name of our store is now changed, and we can scroll down to make sure that everything else is set up just the way we want. And once we are done checking out our website, we're going to go back over here in order to go over the analytics and marketing section. And next we're going to go over here to the analytics section. Now this is going to be a really important section for us, guys, because here we're going to be able to see our total sales, our sales by channel, our total orders, the average order value, and many different things, such as for example which products are going to be the most popular amongst our customers, among many other things and information, which is going to really help us manage and customize our website and our business all from the same place. Lastly, I wanted to show you the discount section here. If we go to discount, I'm going to click on add discount. We are going to choose an amount of products, and here we're going to be able to customize our own discount for our online store. For example, here we can choose the code. Let's say we're going to put code 101, or we can just click over here and Shopify is going to provide us a random code for us. Below it, we can choose which kind of discount it's going to be, either a fixed amount or a percentage amount. I'm going to choose a percentage, and let's say we're going to have a 10% discount. Below it, we can choose which collections our discount is going to apply to. For example, we are going to click on browse, and I'm going to choose the products of my homepage collection. If we keep going down, you can see that we have more options to further customize our discounts, such as if we need any minimum purchase requirements for it, the customer eligibility, the maximum amount of uses it has, the combinations, and lastly here, if we click on set end date, we can choose an expiration date for our discount. For example, I'm going to choose the 29th, and here I'm going to click Save Discount. Now we would have our first discount ready to either post on social media, maybe gift to a friend, or just use however we would like. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you check the link in the description for a 3 days free trial of Shopify, and also that $1 for 1 month one-time deal. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you guys next time.